Good morning. We're going to California Adventure for the very first time today. Super excited.
Super excited.
Got my Spider-Man shirt on. Got my Spider-Man, not hat. I got a Spider-Man mask that I'm gonna wear.
I was wondering what you were touching your hat for.
I don't know. I don't know what I was wearing today. I'm just too excited to be going to California Adventure for the very first time today. And we got in our boarding group. We're group 38 for web slingers. So we're not gonna have a panic attack like we had last time with not getting a Rise of Resistance boarding group in Disney World.
I still think boarding groups are the dumbest thing ever, but
they're probably gonna go away at some point.
That's
but
my opinion. It's neither here nor there. We get to do Spider-Man.
So we don't have a super firm game plan, but we've heard that it's okay once you get your boarding group to go straight to Radiator Springs or ride the Cars ride. I don't know.
I don't know, but I'm glad we don't have a plan. I like not having a plan.
Let's do it.
Lobby. Level. Going up.
This guy has Chucky and Scream on his window.
I think we go to the right to get to Radiator Springs.
There's a bear. It feels weird. Like, are we allowed to be?
Yeah. Jessica thinks we're doing something wrong because we went.
Show behind us.
This is
There's
nobody in the parks at all.
And they let us in.
I don't know what we did right. We must be living right.
There's some like weird area.
Hey, I want you to see. That's what you're gonna be in.
We're gonna talk about that.
Well, we're gonna do that.
That.
We're gonna do that.
But who's there?
Jessica is fascinated by the bear.
And we gotta take pictures.
All right, now we found it. Here's where we have to wait. But
look at these people. There's like 20 people. What is happening? I freaking love it.
we just got in here, got lucky. This feels like a mini Main Street USA. And there's Pixar Pier.
Heading until the end of that, I'll go ahead and let you guys in when I'm opening my race truck. There we go. Just hang on just a moment.
There we go. Well, it's really nice to meet you guys. Yeah, you guys too.
Just don't run.
We gotta run.
Lose me.
We have to run.
No, we'll get in trouble. We'll get kicked out. Just be cool.
Just be cool, man. Be cool.
Walt Disney arrived in California to follow his dreams. Dreams which led to extraordinary achievements and wondrous adventures.
This is just rude. They don't just listen to all this.
Please walk to your next destination.
Budding talent, celebrating discoveries will all find a place in his heart.
You know, like a dweeb. Like you're
Put it in the backpack.
California Adventure. For your safety and we ask that you please Thank you and welcome to the Disney California Adventure.
Oh wow, oh wow. Oh, we're booking it. Apparently we're booking it, Jessica. Holy crap. And I thought Disney World was intense.
Oh my gosh!
Holy crap!
This is the perfect music. Hey, this is why I don't feel bad about eating junk food.
Holy crap, look at all these people. Maybe we should have gone to the front. Oh my
I'm a
god,
little bit stressed.
I'm stressed. Look at all these people.
Oh my.
God.
What the heck?
What the heck?
Oh my gosh.
Apparently we're-
my legs hurt. No, don't run, don't run.
How do we get in there?
Right there.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Morning!
Morning! All right, guys, this is crazy. Holy crap! Apparently, we did the right thing.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey. This is cool. Now I've heard they do like nice decorations here at Christmas time.
Yeah.
I was up on that lady. This place is a lot bigger than I thought. I didn't think Cars Land was this deep.
Yep.
How's it going? They're theming their cars.
Because I'm tall, right? Look at that.
Yeah. So that's like the main.
Fucking Halloween.
Oh yeah, could be. Jessica, look.
Yeah.
It's the tower.
We're cutting around the left side. Slowly. Billy, make sure you don't
Oh, Jessica just. Oh, look at that.
boy with his Cars jacket.
No, we saw the third one together. You the second.
Maybe it was right.
They're going over us right now.
Is Cars Land 1 word or 2?
I think it's 2? I mean, it's on the map. Oh, you don't have the map out. Oh, I can hear.
In the land of cattle, the 6 gun is law, and you get a medal if you shoot.
Thanks, everybody. Now listen. When your vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings, and as long as you're in my town, have a great time.
That's your single rider. Alright, what'd you think?
That was so fun.
It was really fun. It was really cold too.
See, I wasn't cold because I was wearing my sweatshirt.
So it's just like, well, not just like test track,
It's
similar.
not, like it's similar. At the beginning, you're like, oh, this is gonna be the exact same. But then there's these like bumps and stuff, and you're racing, which is so much more fun.
I know, watch the people next to you. It was like, I know, I'm gonna beat him, I'm gonna beat
I
him.
know, and then they beat us.
Yeah.
Not that I'm competitive, but
Yeah, you're not competitive whatsoever.